How to leave an ESPN Fantasy League. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to leave an ESPN Fantasy League. Whether it's a public league or a private one, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in. Be sure to watch this video till the very end. If you joined a public league and the draft hasn't taken place yet, you can still leave the league. So start by navigating to the league page. Once there, click on the league tab at the top of the page. Look for the Leave League link. Clicking this will remove you from the league immediately. You'll see that the league is no longer listed in your active leagues. Unfortunately, if the draft has already happened, ESPN doesn't allow you to leave the league mid-season. So once this season is over, the league will automatically disappear from your list a few weeks after the season ends. There is no need to manually leave, it will be removed for you. If you've been invited to a private league by a friend, leaving the league is a bit different. You won't be able to leave on your own. The league manager, usually the person who invited you, will need to remove you. If you're the league manager and need to remove someone, here is how. Go to the League tab, select League Manager Tools, and then click on Edit Managers. And from there you can remove any member from the league. If you're stuck in a league and can't leave, remember that it's usually because the draft has already occurred. Or you're in a private league where only the manager can remove members. In any case, the league will disappear after the season concludes, so it won't clutter your dashboard forever. And that's how you leave an ESPN Fantasy League. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.